we will do 6.3 here, and it is logarithmic and logarithmic functions. So what is logarithm? Here we'll write there are two numbers, let y and b, in which what is b? B is any positive real number. Positive real number. But another thing is it cannot be 1. Then log of y, or you can say that logarithmic of y with base b is defined like this. Logarithmic of y with base b. This is how we write it. We can consider this is equals to some number, another variable like x. This is how we can write logarithm. And this is same as e power. This is same as b power x is y. So log is changed into exponential, and exponential can be written in the form of log. So that's a different ways. Convergence. Log to exponential, exponential to log. The question is rewrite the equation in exponential form. If you're going to compare with this, the base b value is 2. So 2 power 4 is 16. Here 4 power 0 is 1. And I can write here 12 power 1 is 12. 1 by 4 to the power negative 1 is 4. Okay. Next, we have this. We are going to write logarithmic form. Exponential is given. So if I write for your convenience, it is log y of base b is x. And this can be written in exponential form, b power x is y. So this form is given. Convert into this logarithmic form. 5. Base is a 5. So I will write log base 5 of 25 is 2. Log base 10 of 0.1 is negative 1. Log base 8 of 4, it's 2 by 3. Log base 6 of 1 by 216 is negative 3. You can consider these things here. See, this is the base b value. This is the base. Okay? And the power here comes from this. This is the term at which we are calculating. This here. And the answer is whatever the power of that exponential term. Okay? Next question. Evaluate each logarithm. We are going to evaluate. Before evaluating, you can see this is x. Suppose this is x. What I can write? 4 power x is 64. 64 can be written as a 4 power 3. If this is 4 power x, this is our same on both sides. X is equals to 3. You got your answer. So basically what we are doing here, we are finding the power so that your answer is this. So here, what should be the power of 5? So your answer is 0.2. What is 0.2? 2 by 10. What is 2 by 10? 1 by 5. 1 by 5 can be written as a 5 power negative 1. This is 5 power x. So x is negative 1. I will solve for this. 1 by 5 to the power x is 125. You cannot bring this down. What I will do? I will shift this up. It will be 5 power negative 1. Outside power is x. So you will do 5 power negative x is 125. 125 can be written as a 5 power 3. So x is negative 3. The last question, you can try yourself. We have to evaluate this using calculator. Okay. We have to round the answer up to 3 decimal places also. So what is first? Log 8. Log log. So in your calculator, you must have it 2 logs, ln and log. We are using log log. Log 8. And that is 0.9030. I have to write up to 3 decimal place. The fourth term is a 0. It's not greater than 5 or 5. So I will write answer only 0.903. 0.903. Now for the next case, it is ln, natural log. Ln of 0.3. So I calculate ln of 0.3 and that is negative 1.2039. See this. The fourth term is greater than 5. So this will shift 1 digit here. So it's negative 1.204. This is ln of 0.3. Done. Okay. Next, we have to simplify. In this, we are using things the inverse property. A power log base ax. Answer is x only. Log base a and same a of x. So answer is x. Why so? Because when you convert this into, when you are going to convert into exponential, what you will get? You will get a power x, because you have to take this power here. That is equals to this. So that means that's a term. Simple. Okay. See this. 10 power log 10. And one more thing. When you find there is something log log, it is automatically understood it is a base 10. Log base 10 is written in the form of log log only. If I write this, it's this. This is the same thing. I can ignore the 10. If it is different from 10, you have to write. So it's a 10 power log base 10 of 4. According to this condition, answer is 4. If I look at this, log 5. What is 25? 25 is 5 power 2. X is already. So it is log base 5 of 5 power 2x. This gives you 1. So you only left with 2x. Okay. Next, we have to find inverse of the each function. First step to find inverse is taking fx as a y. Second step, replace x with y and y with x. I am converting this into logarithmic form. It is log base 6 of x is y. This is logarithmic form of it. We are done. That is the inverse of this function. You can write f inverse of x is log base 6 of x. Here, ln. Okay, ln is what? Ln of x. If you have log with base e, we consider this as a ln and pronounce as a natural log. Ln of x plus 3. So what I'm doing, I am converting in. Okay, first is y is already given. Replace x with y, y with x. Converting logarithmic into exponential. So e power x is y plus 3. I want only y. So y will be e power x minus 3. Done. If you have a doubt, you can write in this way. Then you can write in this way. Okay, this is done. Next we have graphs. Parent graph of a logarithm. You have a two condition basis. B. b can be greater than 1. The other case is b can be in between 0 and 1. If b is greater than 1, then the graph will go like this. It's like this. Graph of log base b of x and b is greater than 1. Log base b of x. If b is 0 to 1, it will come up to down. In this. It intersects at 1 comma. It also intersects at 1 comma. Okay. And how the inverse graph look like? In the inverse graph is the mirror image of this. Mirror image about this line. See? The mirror image will look like this. See? This is how mirror image looks. And here how the image looks about this line. Okay. It's this. It will cut at 0, 1. 0, 1. Okay. This is graph of a function and its inverse. General logarithmic graph we are taking. This graph for log base b of x in which b is between 0 to 1. See next. We have to graph fx which is a log base 3 of x. If I write the values, I choose 1. At 1 it is 0. At 3 it is 1. At 9 it is 2. At 27 it's 3. So it works like a powers of 3. The graph is like this. Because the base is 3 positive base and greater than 1 base, this graph is like this. It will cut at 1, 0. X-axis, y-axis. If you wonder why I'm writing this, see. Log base 3 of 3. What is that? Answer is 1. We just learned 3 means 3 power 1. If you have a 9, what is 9? 9 is a 3 power 2. So answer is 2. If you have 27, 27 is 3 power 3. This is the base 3. This is the term. 27 is 3 power 3. So answer, this is 1 and only 3 left. Okay, this is how I'm writing. And I make the 3 points or 3 or 4 points and draw a graph like this. Can you calculate the graph of its inverse? Let's see. I draw a dotted line. And the graph of this will be, it will be 3 power x. 3 power x. This is the graph of inverse. If you convert this into inverse function or find its inverse function, it will be 3 power x. See, log base 3 of x, it's y, replacing y as a x and x as a y. Convert log into exponential, 3 power x is y. So this is inverse function. I draw the both. Okay. I hope you understand. We will continue the next exercise in the next video.